a surprise guest on the vlog. Welcome to Nelly's and Cole's vlog.
This is Archie.
Hi! Mabuhay!
Also, Tia.
Definitely a good crowd to hang out with.
Some friends have a very special place in my heart. This time, I unexpectedly met my Filipino friends in Paris.
The Filipino in me, you know, when I was a child, this is my dream.
There was a lot of laughter.
I look like a driver in the bus in the Philippines.
10 pesos.
I'm like a chicken.
And for some, this was a once-in-a-lifetime dream coming true.
Coles is actually very emotional.
I wish my mom is seeing this. It's so pretty.
When it started sparkling, Coles was like running and like screaming, crying, all of the emotion.
And we certainly embraced the French way of life together.
So we keep eating and drinking, enjoying life, living the full French lifestyle here.
This was definitely a trip for bonding with friends.
The Filipino in me, you know, when I was a child. This is my dream. When I was a baby princess. I used to have like the small keychains.
Really?
And now I have a big one.
Now we have it.
Oh, damn it.
It's very pretty though. It's so pretty. This is a great spot for the Eiffel Tower. Very nice viewpoint.
We are walking a little bit closer to the Eiffel Tower.
Super nice. And also, by the way, Coles
Has
Hi.
a YouTube channel now.
Oi, I'm shy.
You're shy.
You don't have to subscribe. It's okay. But I do travel contents and guides and my island life. I only have 3 videos right now, but I promise to upload every Thursday.
Yeah.
Or maybe twice
But
a
you're
week.
like so consistent with everything. I don't know how you do it. So Coles has Villa
Lovely.
Cali Sunday. Then she has the dog cafe that I already featured on my
We
channel.
have 11 dogs now.
11 dogs.
Corgis.
And then Coles Travel. If you're traveling to Chagall, definitely check out Coles Travel. She's
And
also
a
an
Paris
influencer.
agency, photographer agency. Tomorrow we'll be starting to offer photography services here for just €10. So don't forget,
Yeah.
just
Reach out.
subscribe to my channel if you wanna avail.
Special discounts.
Yes, for Nelly fanatics.
Discount code Nelly's Life at her channel.
1, 2, 3, go. Pak, pak, pak. I'm like a chicken. Pak, pak.
Okay, we spent some time here having a glass of wine, a bottle of wine actually, because this guy came to us and he was like, "You want some wine for 45 euros?" And I'm like, "Yeah, it's a little bit it's too much." We negotiated down to 30 euro, still too expensive, but whatever. When in Paris, right? So right now we are here right in front of the Eiffel Tower when it's sparkling.
Coles is actually very emotional. Look at you.
I wish my mom is seeing this. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
I wish you guys are seeing this.
Yeah, seeing it.
It's really pretty. Like in actual, it's so different in actual. I've seen this on TikTok, on everywhere.
Yeah.
But it's different when you're seeing it.
Yeah, and like when it started sparkling, Coles was like running and like screaming, crying, all of the emotion.
Yeah.
But I have to say, it is really pretty. It is something very romantic.
No, it's just my first time.
Alrighty, quick little money hack because we could all use some extra cash, right? If you want to earn this much money or even more on the side, then I have a money hack that is specifically for you. I have recently discovered Free Cash. It's a free platform where you can earn money just by playing mobile games, completing surveys, or simply by testing apps. Sounds great, right? Instead of mindlessly scrolling on social media, I started using my downtime by earning some easy cash on the side while sitting in an Uber, waiting for a friend, or while waiting for the bus. You just have to pick an offer, for example, a mobile game like Monopoly, which I personally love. Start playing, and every time you complete an offer, you earn coins that you can cash out instantly through PayPal, crypto, or even Amazon gift cards. It is that simple. And also, FreeCash has a 4.7 star rating on Trustpilot, so it is actually legit. And yes, I have already cashed out a few times to my PayPal to pay for my trips. What I personally love is that I can literally do this anywhere in the world. Whether I'm commuting, chilling at home, or in between filming sessions, it is so easy to keep earning. Plus, there are a few cashback rewards and daily bonuses that add up fast. So if you want to try it out too, scan my QR code or click the link in the description box. You will get a $5 bonus right away when you sign up and start your first offer. And now, back to the vlog.
We made it to the Moulin Rouge. It's one of those picture spots that, you know, people love to come to take pictures, as you can see here. But the reason why I'm actually here is that there is this patisserie across the road, and last time when I was here I did a food tour and I remember it being really good, so I wanted to go there with my boyfriend to have something sweet, like a little snacky snack. So let's go.
Alright, this is it.
Yeah, they have some goodies here, but we are actually going for these.
This is the real deal.
Yum 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 yum. Whoa! Okay, this is it. Wow. Oh, yum. Love these little markets. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness. We're currently on our way to Montmartre, or it's actually already part of it. You see there are a lot of cafes. It's very vibrant, very lively. And we were both just talking how we remember eating nuts as kids, and they looked exactly how it looked at the vendor's store, not the ones that you get at the supermarket. It's so different. It's really hard to explain how so much more flavor the food has here. It doesn't make us feel sick. So we had a quiche with goat cheese the other day and it was fantastic. Didn't feel sick afterwards, bloated, nothing. So good. And I love all of these little specialty stores.
Hi! Somebody joined again.
Hello, Nalinatics. Nalinatics. I look like a driver in the bus in the Philippines, you know. Like, oh, ticket.
10 pesos.
That's cute. It's a photo mat.
So we are making our way to Sacré-Cœur and we have to take some steps, which is fine because we keep eating and drinking and like enjoying life. So living the full French lifestyle here.
First steps.
Okay, let's walk on the left, on the right. Huh?
Can I follow you guys upstairs? I'll just meet Archie somewhere here.
Okay, see you in a bit.
I promise to go up.
You promise?
Yeah.
Okay, don't get
Till
lost.
sunset. We might get a bite first.
Okay. Okay. We made it. Very artsy area here. There are a bunch of vintage stores down there. Vinyl store. Okay, we can take a breath for a little bit.
And we made it up the mountain. What a view. Really nice. And up here is the Sacré-Cœur.
Don't judge me on my French accent or pronunciation. I really tried, but I just really suck at it.
Hello, Lady Gaga. How are you?
Hello, Lady Gaga.
Nice. Wow. Yeah, so this seems to be the sunset spot here. You have a really nice view of the city.
And I actually posted an Instagram reel from the Notre Dame and somebody said you should check the Sacré-Cœur church from the inside because I said Notre Dame is just so insanely beautiful. So many art pieces. So apparently this church is better. So we'll see.
It's already looking very impressive.
By the way, free entrance. This perspective, it literally looks like God is looking at me. That's very impressive. Okay, churches in Europe are really impressive. I still prefer Notre Dame to be honest. There was just so much art in there. Right now we entered the market area of Montmartre. It's so romantic with like all of these displays of restaurants.
You have the traditional French souvenirs everywhere. People are sitting outside and eating. It's definitely a vibe here.
Okay, so you might recognize this place. It's called Carette. And this is where I had the macarons last time. This time we are going for the crepes because I've been craving crepes since we came here. We didn't have it. This is the place to go, I guess. And they also have some really yummy chocolate to drink. So if you want to check it out, definitely this is the place. But we're going to stand in line here to get one of these. We got the crab. I didn't have crab in such a long time. Oh, it's so hot. It's too hot. It's burning hot.
Approved?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay, it's very good. Montmartre was so romantic, so beautiful. Definitely recommend going up there and take your time. Sit at a restaurant, do people watching, drink a glass of wine, have the crab, get yourself painted. It's really one of those Paris experiences that you should have. And we just actually came down to meet the rest of the squad. Yeah, we are parting ways. Oh, don't cry. But yeah, it was short but sweet.
Yeah.
I'm glad we made it.
Yes, and I'm happy that I see you again.
Me too.
Unexpectedly.
Yes.
Unexpectedly, so I'm so happy. I thought initially I'm supposed to be just alone here.
Yeah.
Then now I'm with Tia and with
But
you.
that's what happens as well with me. Every time I say, oh, I'm going to New York by myself, I'm like,
eventually.
okay, not really, because I have friends everywhere and like people are messaging me, so I'm really glad we made it.
Can you visit the Philippines soon? Or maybe I'll visit you in Bali if you're in Bali.
Yes.
When are you gonna come back?
I don't know. 3 months. But we'll do Chagall.
Your Nelly-natics. Tell your Nelly to stop traveling and visit me.
Right now, comment. We need at least 1,000 comments saying that I have to come back to
and visit me in Siargao.
Exactly, and then we'll make it happen.
1,000. Let's start commenting, guys.
This is Archie.
Mabuhay!
Hi.
Nice to meet you. My name is Archie.
Yeah. I heard you are a celebrity spotter here.
Not real. Yes, that is
Yeah?
my job here at the moment. Paris has been like, spotting a lot of celebrities
Yeah.
and not for vacation.
That's why you spotted me.
Oh yeah, I saw. No, I saw a celebrity here. I saw a celebrity over here.
But what's your TikTok? You
Archie
posted-
Larga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check
Has
it out.
millions of views.
No.
I'm the
Millions of
manager.
views? Wow.
Not really. Not really.
Billions.
Wow.
Are you an artista?
No, I'm not. I'm no one. I'm just a pharmacist.
For sure, Nelly-natics, you know him.
Yeah. Also, Tia is also a travel influencer page.
Definitely a good crowd to hang out with. Mwah.
I hope you enjoyed this little reunion vlog. It is one of many and I have some fun travel vlogs coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and also take advantage of my money hack by clicking the link in the description box down below to try out free cash. Give it a try. It's easy money. The more offers you complete, the more rewards you unlock, and also don't miss on the $5 sign up bonus. That was it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Au revoir.